Hello students, in the previous video we have seen practice set 2 of standard 6 lesson number 2. Now we will see practice set 3. Use the proper geometrical instrument to construct angle. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect it. Now you have to bisect a angle that is 50 degree, that means less than 90 degree. Now with the help of scale I will take a imaginary line and I will keep D on a point and take a 50 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here is 50 degree. Now I will draw a line and write here 50 degree. Imaginary name like A, B, C. Here the angle name is ABC. Now you have to bisect this angle with the help of rounder. You have to take small distance and you have to draw a arc. And same distance you will keep over here and draw a one arc here, and simultaneously you will keep the rounder point on the next and you will draw another arc. Then we get a point here. Now what you will do, you will join this B point with that arc point. So you can give imaginary name like R. So this how your bisector of angle is there. Now we will see 115, that means this is obtuse angle. Again with the help of scale I will take a imaginary line Now what I will do, I will keep in the point on a point and I will take 115. Here 100, 110, that means here 115 is there. So I will join this angle and write here 115 degree, that means this is obtuse. Now same thing I will do, that draw a arc. You have to draw properly. And you have to draw a arc here and here. Now you have to join this, and this is your angle bisector. You can give imaginary name X, Y, Z. So this is your angle bisector of X, Y, Z. Now same thing with 80 degree. Draw a imaginary line. Take a D and take 80 degree. Here is our 80 degree and draw a line name as 80 degree. Imaginary name you can give like P, Q, R. Now with the help of rounder we'll draw a arc. Now same distance you will make arc here and here. Now we get a point. Now we will join this Q with this point, which we give the name A. So this is bisector, and similarly of 90 degree, that means right angle. Again imaginary line you will draw. With the help of D you will take 90 degree, and with the help of scale you will join this and you will write here 90 degree. Now again with the help of rounder you will make a arc. Now same distance, make an arc here. That means we get a point here. I will join this point. I will write your imaginary name L M N. Here I put Q. So this is how our angle bisector we draw. Thank you, students.